Okay, going to question number 3. What are the skills that we learned so far? So we learned how to make trim, okay, which is to cut. For example, the question, this question, we cut the extra lines or extra curves that we don't need, and also we learn how to draw two circles that they have the same center. Like here, for example, we have two circles and they have the same circle. Okay, like also the question here, the question 3, we have two circles. Okay, they have the same center. Then we are going to learn how to make a mirror. Okay, the skill number 3 or 4, mirror, and how to make tangent relation. So let's start with mirror. What is the concept of mirror? For example, suppose we have this drawing. So new, then part. I'll give you an example of what is the concept of mirror. Okay. So front, then normal 2. Okay, just 1 second, please. Okay, front, normal 2, sketch, and we have to draw a center line. Okay, beside this solid line we have this small symbol of arrow. Click on this arrow and we get center line. Okay, so we click on the origin, we go vertical, click, then escape. So in order to do the mirror, we have to add center line in the middle. So then we draw anything in the right. For example, I'll give you, click here, we go right, then we go up, left, then we go left, then escape. For example, I'll give you some smart dimension. For example, this is 65, and then this one is for example 40. Okay, and click here, then click here. For example, this is 35. Okay, so how to make a mirror? If we have this drawing in the right, I want it the same thing in the left, so it becomes symmetric. So how can we do that? We have the mirror here, mirror entities. Click on the mirror, then make a window that shade all, cover all the right place. So make a window, not just like this. Okay, it has to cover all the drawing. Okay, cover all the drawing. Okay, so all the lines now are shaded. Then click on the activate mirror about. So mirror about. So I want to make a mirror for this right thing to keep it to do it in the left side. So mirror about. Of course, we have to click on the center line. You see this yellow line. Then click OK 2 times. Or okay. So this is the concept of mirrors. So in this example, we have the right thing is the same in the left thing, and this is the symmetrical shape. Okay. Now, what's the benefit of mirror? For example, in question number 3, we just need to draw a circle, center line, and we just draw the right thing, the right side. Then we make a mirror, and mirror saves a bunch of time. Okay, so you don't need to do that again and put it here and add these dimensions and do the same thing. You just need to draw the right side, then mirror to keep transfer it to the left side. We do that together. So new, okay, Okay, now where should I add the origin point in this drawing? We usually put it in the left side down, but in this situation, where should we put the origin point? Obviously, we'll put it in the middle. Okay, here we put the origin point. So front, normal to, sketch, circle. So we draw two circles. The first one, click, go up, click, then go again to the center, click, then go up, then click, then escape. Smart dimension, we start always with the smaller one. So what is the dimension of this, the inner circle? We type 60, check. Now the outside circle, he gives me a radius of 50. I wanted to transfer it to be 100, so click on any place on this outside circle, and we will put it type 100 to make it diameter instead of radius. Okay. The second step, we have to add the center line. From the origin point, we go vertical down. Okay. Then escape. So we draw the two circles here. The same thing, I would draw another two circles in the right side here. Okay, so where should I put the center? Don't put it near to these circles, because it has you need just a logic sense. You cannot make it very close, or some people would put it like this. Small one, the outside one, which is too far from these circles. No, you have to just estimate where is the center of these two circles. For example, I will put it here. Okay, not so near or not so far. Okay, so click here anywhere. Okay, it's just logic. Click, we draw the small one, click, then go back to the center, click, go outside, click, then escape. Smart dimension, start with this smaller one. The diameter is 30, so 30, check. Okay, the outside one would be radius 25, which means the phi would be 50, check. Okay, now how can I add this line? It needs a little bit of focus, so I would choose the solid line. I would draw solid line. I have to make it very long, so click here and click here. Why? I want it to be covers these two circles, this one and this one, so make it long to cover these two circles, this one and this one. Okay, now I want to make a relation, so press on control, keep pressing on control, click on the line and click again to the circle. Okay, so what is the relation between these two things? We add a new relation, which is tangent, so I want to make a tangent relation. This is okay, then click on check. So this line is tangent, it cuts the circle in one point. Okay, I'll do that again with this circle. So again, click on press on control button, click on this line and also click on this circle, and the relation again is tangent. Okay, click on check. Okay, I have a dimension angle which is 20, so smart dimension between this line and this center, I want the angle 20, so 20, check. Now you can find that there is an extra solid line here. I want to cut it. How can I cut this extra line? By using trim, and don't forget to choose the last order, which is trim to closest. So I cut this one, and also I cut this extra one. Okay, now I want to draw the same thing, the same line here. Forget about the fillet, we'll do it later on. So I just draw this line. So again, click on this line anywhere in the center, anywhere. Don't choose the midpoint, don't choose this point, anywhere in this center line. So click from this center line and go down, make it a little bit long to cover the outside circle, this one. Okay, again do the same relation. So control, press on control, click on this line and click on this circle. Okay, so what is the relation here? The relation is tangent. Click on check. Okay, also we have trim. We have to trim or to cut the extra line, which is here. Okay, we have also 35 degree. So 35 degrees smart dimension between this line and this center line, and we added 35 degree. Okay, we have in this file or the exercise problems, we have a missing dimension here. Please add it to your file. The dimension or the length between this center and this center, write it down in your file. It will be 180. Okay, so the dimension or the length between this center and this center, 180. So what is the if I add the smart dimension between this center and this center line, what is the length here? So 180 divided by 2, which will be 90 millimeter. Okay, 90 millimeter. So this is a missing dimension. Add it, please. Okay, and now you can see that these two circles becomes fully defined. Okay, now should I do the same thing into the left side? No. Okay, I don't have to waste my time. Very simple. What should I do? Open, maximize, because the mirror here is not shown. So click on the maximize button, then mirror. Okay, make a window, big window that covers the right side, Then activate mirror about. Click on mirror about. So mirror about what? About the center line that we have drawn in the beginning of this video. Okay, so he transfer the right side to the left side. Click this check. Okay, now we have extra curves and extra things I have to trim. So trim, then choose trim to closest. I have this arc, I don't have it, I don't need it. This one also, we don't have this one. So click this and click on this. Okay, and get choose the fillet. We have a fillet of 30 degree radius. Fillet, make it 30 and choose this point. Click, then check. Click also check for 2 times. Click now check again, and as we can see that this drawing is fully defined. Feature, extrude this drawing with 10 millimeters. Okay, 10 millimeters. Then click on check. And this is how we draw this problem. problem number 3. I hope it's easy for you, and just try to do it again, and it will be inshallah easy. Thank you very much. See you the next time.